Welcome to Neurology News Network. I'm Jenna Pasco. Let's get into the news from this week. Earlier this week, the FDA issued a warning letter to StemGenez Biologic Laboratories, a San Diego-based stem cell therapy clinic, for marketing an unapproved purported stem cell therapy, as well as for significant deviations from current good manufacturing practice requirements, including some that could lead to microbial contamination. In a recent inspection of the facility, the FDA found that the company was processing adipose tissue into stromal vascular fraction variety of administrations, including intravenous, inhalation, and injection to the spinal cord. The product is marketed illegally for a number of conditions that includes Alzheimer's disease, Crohn's disease, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, fibromyalgia, spinal cord injury, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, Parkinson's disease, peripheral neuropathy, and rheumatoid arthritis. The FDA requested a response within 15 working days that details how the deviations noted in the warning letter will be corrected. The agency is urging healthcare professionals and consumers to report any adverse events related to treatments with the product to the FDA's MedWatch Adverse Event Reporting Program. The amyloid hypothesis has long been believed to be the key to solving the Alzheimer's disease puzzle. However, after several failed attempts to develop therapies to address amyloid buildup in the brain, some question the theory. According to Dr. Constantino Iadecola at Weill Cornell Medicine, amyloid is only a single piece of the puzzle. Iadecola told Neurology Live in an interview that his understanding defines Alzheimer not as a disease, but as a syndrome caused by a number of pathologies at play in the brain. Neurology Live sat with Dr. Richard Lipton of Albert Einstein University to discuss the management of treatment-related adverse effects associated with the use of triptans for patients with migraine. Let's take a look.
Choosing a therapy in any condition obviously involves weighing efficacy and safety. For migraine, different treatment options have different attributes. And broadly speaking, all the available drugs are quite safe, but they differ in tolerability. So, for example, the injectable formulation of sumatriptan, which is available in several doses, has very rapid onset of action and is really quite effective, but it produces more nuisance side effects than sumatriptan given through other routes. So you're more likely with injectable sumatriptan to feel flushing, tingling, in some cases a chest pressure sensation, which is frightening in a drug that does constrict blood vessels and has a very small amount, but a real amount of cardiovascular liability.
For more direct access to expert insight, head to neurologylive.com. This has been Neurology Live News Network. Thanks for watching.